Good morning, it's another beautiful day in paradise. Good morning, Michael. Now we're off. Dibs? We're freaking off an ATV, that's for sure. We have arrived. They have the ATVs right over there. We're gonna go exploring through the jungle. Hello, Mr. Puppy. ¿Cómo estás? ¿Estás bien? Que benção. Dominic and I are gonna go on the ATV together. Que legal! So we're gonna rent one of these and go into the forest and have adventure time. Everybody's behind us! Everybody's in front of us! Did you get wet? Nice. Dominic's driving! Just a little bit. And to the waterfall we go. Hashtag Bradley just almost died. Hey, can you do that again? I didn't catch it.
Yeah. And I'm gonna jump out of the way so you don't get it.
We jump off that? That's safe?
You can't jump off the falls because it's too shallow, but it looks fun to swim in. Let's go swim. Waterfall. That was fun. Emily, Jennifer, hey Liam, hey Dominic. So that was the end of our waterfall trip. That was pretty cool. Now we just gotta go down. You saw it? Yeah, so these guys, they drove the whole way down. They were pros. Dominic would stop and wait for my dad to get ahead, and then he would just floor it.
Then I catched up so fast in that really big tunnels, and I went so fast.
You were fast.
We're having lunch here at this nice buffet area. Lunch was absolutely amazing. Bon appetit. We're all ready to go. Gonna do the zip lines. The team's all ready. So the zip line's a whole excursion. It's gonna be about an hour and a half to 2 hours. So there's like 12 zip lines that they're gonna take us on through the forest. It's gonna be exciting.
Okay, sit down. Now we come here. Take time to the William? Yeah.
Wow. Now that is something. Look at that. We are 100 feet up in the air.
Here we go. Right. Here we go. Here we go. Woo. Here we go. Woo. No break, boy. I'm ready.
Show them how it's done.
Señorita. Vámonos. All right. Señor.
We want a treehouse with capuchin monkeys. We saw some monkeys that were holding our finger. It was awesome. We want a treehouse with them.
We're really high up. You kind of get used to it though. Kinda. We're just about done with the zip line adventure. I'll see you guys at the bottom. We did it. That was pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie, I was not expecting the entire thing that we did. There were about 13 different zip lines through the forest, 100-foot drop. It was amazing. All right. You see the iguana?